Welcome to mathsmaster.org. Let's learn about highest common factor and lowest common multiple, and this is part 1. So this question asks us to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of the two numbers 6 and 15. Let's start with the highest common factor of those two numbers first. What you do is you draw yourself a table like this. So we put the 6 and the 15 in a table, and then you write in the factors of those two numbers. If we're after the highest common factor, you must remember that the table needs to have in the factors of 6 and the factors of 15, like you can see here. Now we're after the highest common factor, so next highlight the common factors. That's the numbers which are factors of both 6 and 15. So 1 is a factor of 6 and 15, and 3 is a factor of 6 and 15. So the common factors are 1 and 3, and the highest common factor is 3. That's all there is to it. Now let's look at how we find the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So you draw yourself a table which you put 6 and 15 in, and then you start writing out the multiples of those numbers. Now remember, if we're finding lowest common multiple, that it's the multiples that you put in the table. Some people get confused and put factors in there, which doesn't work. If we're trying to find the lowest common multiple, you write in the multiples. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. And the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45 and so on. Now we're after the lowest common multiple, so let's find the common multiples first. These are the multiples which are in both numbers. So for example, 30 and 60 are common multiples of 6 and 15. There are multiples of both numbers. Highlight them, they're the common multiples. And then the lowest of the common multiples, the lowest common multiple is 30. And that's all there is to it. That was highest common factor and lowest common multiple, part 1. If you want to see some more great maths videos, please visit mathsmaster.org.